Jai Hind. Welcome to GS NEXUS Current Affairs series. In today's session, we are going to talk about LPG cylinder and how its price calculated in India. Gas price in India are revised by oil marketing companies every month. Crude price in international markets and the value of rupee against the dollar determine gas rates in India. The price of gas are different in every state because of local taxes. India imports more than 55% of its LPG requirement. Price of LPG in the country are based on Saudi constant price, the benchmark for international prices of LPG. For domestic LPG, the government continues to moderate the effective price to consumer to insulate the common man from rise in international prices. The pricing of petroleum products are brought under administrated price mechanism effective July 1975 when the pricing of petroleum products are shifted from import parity principle to cost plus principle. Effective 1st March 2002, the APM was dismantled and the government decided to provide subsidy on sale of PDS kerosene and domestic LPG at a specified flat rate under the budget. To administer these budgetary subsidies, the government formulated PDS kerosene and domestic LPG subsidy schemes in 2002. Under this scheme, it was decided that these subsidies will be phased out in 3 to 5 years. Even though APM was dismantled effective 1st March 2002, since 2004, the consumers of sensitive petroleum products, that is petrol, diesel, PDS kerosene, and domestic LPG, were being insulated from the impact of unprecedented high international oil price by public sector oil marketing companies, namely IOCL, HPCL, and BPCL. Now, let's know about different types of gases used for cooking in India. First, liquefied petroleum gas, that is LPG. This is a mixture of propane and butane, which are flammable hydrocarbons that can be stored in pressurized cylinders or tanks. LPG is more expensive than natural gas and requires regular filling of cylinders and tanks. Second is natural gas, that is methane. Natural gas is cheaper and more convenient than LPG as it doesn't require refilling or storage. It also has lower carbon emissions than LPG. It also requires a connection to the gas mains or pipelines, which may not be available in some areas. Third is compressed natural gas, that is CNG. CNG has a higher energy content and lower carbon emissions than natural gas. It can be cheaper than LPG in some places where natural gas is scarce or expensive. However, CNG requires high pressure storage and distribution system, which can be costly or complex to install and maintain. Its primary component is methane. And the fourth is biogas. This is renewable type of gas that is produced by anaerobic digestion of organic matter such as animal waste, food waste, or sewage. Now let's know the three main government-owned LPG gas companies in India. First is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is HPCL, established in 1952. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. Second is Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is BPCL, established in 1976 and its headquarters is in Mumbai. Third is Indian Oil Corporation Limited. It is subsidiary of Indian Oil Corporation, established in 1964. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. Next is about scheme regarding LPG. First, in May 2016, Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, a flagship scheme with an objective to make clean cooking fuels such as LPG available to the rural and deprived households which were otherwise using traditional cooking fuels such as firewood, coal, cow dung, cake, etc. Uses of traditional cooking fuels have detrimental impacts on the health of rural women as well as on the environment. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana 2.0 was launched on 10th August 2021 to provide fuel to 1 crore families who were left out of the first scheme. And the second is PAHAL or Direct Benefit Transfer for LPG scheme. PAHAL has been introduced to curb the diversion of subsidized LPG. Under this scheme, the consumer will pay the market price of the domestic cylinder and the subsidy will be transferred directly to their bank account. That's all for today. For more such video, stay tuned with GS NEXUS.